Listen well, all of you. Before the sun sets on her 16th birthday, she will prick her finger on the spindle of a spinning wheel and fall into a sleep like death.
The princess can be woken from her death sleep only by true love's kiss.
It's supposed to be true love's kiss.
I will not ask your forgiveness, because what I have done to you is unforgivable. You stole what was left of my heart, and now I've lost you forever. Hello, Godmother. Hello, Beastie.